Principles of Radiation Measurement and Risks by radiology technician Ahmed Anwar. In this presentation, you will be able to understand 1. Basic terminology related to radiation, such as radioactivity, radiation dose and dose rate, radionuclides. 2. Measurement units used in radiation science. Radioactivity, Curie, Becquerel. Exposure, Roentgen, Coulomb per kilogram. Absorbed dose, Gray, Rad. Equivalent dose, Sievert, Rem. 3. Conversion between units of radiation, including real-life examples. 4. How radiation is measured using tools like Geiger counters and dosimeters. 5. Examples of radiation exposure from common sources, e.g. X-rays, CT scans, flights, bananas, etc. 6. Radiation dose risk levels, including how different doses affect the human body and at what levels symptoms or fatal effects occur. 7. Which is the important, learn to protect yourself from radiation as a radiation worker. Terms to know. Radioactivity. The amount of radioactive material, radioactive atoms, present at a location or inside something. Radiation dose rate. The amount of radiation coming from a source, or in an area, during a period of time, sometimes called ambient radiation levels. Radiation dose. The amount of radiation that is absorbed by matter, such as the body. Radionuclide. A type of atom with excess neutrons or protons, making it unstable. Abbreviation of radiation measurements, READ. Radioactivity. Radioactive emission from a source, Curie, Becquerel. Exposure. Coulomb per kilogram, Roentgen. Absorbed dose, amount of radiation absorbed and deposed by matter, Gray, Rad dose. Equivalent dose, Sievert, Rem. Radiation units. Radioactivity measured by Curie and Becquerel. 1 Curie equals 3.7 times 10 to the power of 10 becquerels. Radiation absorbed dose measured by Gray and Rad. 1 Gray equals 100 Rads and 100 Roentgens. Equivalent dose measured by Sievert and Rem. 1 Sievert equals 100 Rem and 100 Roentgens. Exposure measured by Roentgens. For the benefit, 1 microsievert equals 0.1 millirem, 10 microsieverts equals 1 millirem, 100 microsieverts equals 10 millirems, 1 millisievert equals 100 millirems. 10 millisieverts equals 1 rem. 100 millisieverts equals 10 rem. 1 sievert equals 100 rem. 1 microgray equals 0.1 millirad. 10 micrograys equals 1 millirad. 100 micrograys equals 10 millirads. 1 mellagray equals 100 millirads. 10 milligrays equals 1 rad. 100 milligrays equals 10 rad. 1 gray equals 100 rad. Measuring radiation dose. Radiation dose is the amount of radiation absorbed by the body. Radiation doses are reported in Gray or Sievert, which are international units. In the United States, we use Rad or Rem. Alarming dosimeters can be used by first responders and safety officers to monitor dose in real time. There are also specialized instruments used by hospitals and laboratories that can measure dose. Measuring the amount of radioactivity. We measure the amount of radioactivity by finding out how many radioactive atoms decay every second. These atoms may be giving off alpha particles, beta particles, and/or gamma rays. The amount of radioactivity is reported in becquerel, which is the international unit, or the Curie, which is the unit used in the United States. Geiger counters are commonly used to measure the amount of radioactivity, but there are other types of detectors that may be used. Radiation limits risks. 1,000 millisieverts cause nausea, vomiting, and headache. 2,000 millisieverts cause reddening of the skin. 3,000 to 4,000 millisieverts cause death within 3 to 6 weeks. 8,000 millisieverts, immediate death. Here are paragraphs representing the comparison of different doses and its effect on human. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get the benefit from this presentation.